Okay, you're going to have to excuse the lighting because it's getting dark, I'm losing light, but I wanted to do a quick how-to. Hopefully it works, and hopefully this will not be long like Cindy's, but we all love Cindy's videos. I'm going to show you how to use some scraps that I got from cutting my papers that I used for dashboards. When you cut it down to the 5x7, there's always some little scraps left over, and I'm going to show you how to decorate the front of an insert with your scraps. So this one, I've already cut them down to size, so it's measured out for the 5x7 size. Let's see if we can get this lined up. And it's like, I don't know, sometimes it's just fun to have it besides a plain white, to have something else. And this is just, if you're wondering, this is how old of like a scrapper I am. This is an old Creative Memories tape runner. That's how long I've been doing this kind of stuff. Okay, so there's that. This was actually an end that I cut off of the bottom to make it a 5x7 size. And so I didn't have to really trim that one at all. This one I did trim a little bit. Do it like that. And let's see. Okay. That's not where I wanted it. And actually, now that I think about it, this is not where I wanted this one either when I laid it out. So let's carefully try and lift it up. See, mistakes happen. There we go. And we're going to slide it down just a tad. Okay, all fixed, all better. Then we're going to use the journal card. Put a little bit on here. Line that one up there. Okay, so far so good. Got a little dimension, some different colors. And then this is a scrap of the vellum. And so for this, I'm going to take it, and I'm actually going to use my double-sided tape for this one, because I don't really want to see little dots coming through. And hopefully I won't see tape coming through either. But we're going to give it a shot. I know this has been a big question everyone's been asking, like, what do I do with the vellum? How do I use the vellum? So I thought this was cute since it says when you wish upon a star, to have a little bit of stars up at the top. And again, I already cut it to measure. Looks like it's going to be a little bit long. Well, shoot. Okay. Going to hang over a little bit right there, but I can trim that up later. So now we've got a decorated dashboard. Got a little piece of vellum, and this is just using scraps that I cut, and I still have more scraps left over from other pieces that I can use on another insert to decorate it. So there you go. Anyone else get their Galaxy kit? Got mine yesterday. Already putting it together. So excited. Anyways, decorated dashboard and insert cover using scraps and vellum.